DeepAgent just launched a brand new AI tool that allows you to automate any tasks that you're currently doing manually in a browser 24/7. For example, you could get this to check your website and tell you what's wrong with it every morning. Or you could have this go off and apply to jobs for you, and the opportunities that you can use this for are absolutely endless. And by the end of this video, you're gonna know exactly what that tool is and how to use it, and I'm even gonna share with you a few crazy use cases that are going to blow your mind. Okay, so using this tool is actually incredibly easy. You're just gonna come over to DeepAgent right here. You're going to come down here, you're going to click on tasks, and from here, you wanna make sure that you click on new task and make it a DeepAgent task. Now, from here, what you're going to do is you're going to click on browser use. This is going to turn this on, and then you want to describe exactly what you want to get done. So what I'm going to say here is, I want you to find me leads for my window washing business in Boca Raton, Florida. Then I'm going to say, please get me 10 to 15 leads and create a custom email that I can send to them to pitch my services. Now, what this is going to do is this is going to go off and this is going to do this task. And what you're going to be able to do is say, hey, I like the way this task was done, or I didn't like the way this task was done, in which case you would change your prompt a little bit in order to actually get this to do this the correct way. And then from there, you're going to be able to schedule this out so that it happens at whatever cadence that you actually want. As we can see right here, this literally just pulled this up. It created a to-do list, and now this is literally going through on an AI browser and doing the work that I otherwise would have had to do manually. And you could have this go through email, you could have this go through your messages on social media, you could have this do pretty much anything that you want. As we can see, the computer is taking action right here. It's going through, it's finding me leads, it's then going to compile all of their contact information. From there, it's going to create a custom pitch email template, and then I'm going to be able to schedule this out for whenever I want. And one thing that I do want you to notice here, we can see right here that this has already gone through and gotten 1, 2, 3, 4. It's working on the 5th lead now, and this does this way faster than Comet does it. It does it way faster than Atlas does it, which is why I think that this is a way better way for you to be able to do these things. In addition to that, you can't schedule out tasks right now on Comet, or you can't schedule out tasks right now on Atlas or other AI browsers, which is what makes this so powerful. Okay, so now that this is actually done, we can see exactly what this looks like. It went through, it found us 15 high quality leads, gives us a lead breakdown. It went through and created different files here, gives us lead highlights down here about the best opportunities, premium targets, gives us next steps. And if we come down here, it even gives us expected results right here. Now, from here, what we could do is open up these files that it actually created right here, and this is going to show us everything. So if we come over here, we could look at this as a PDF if we wanted to, and I am going to open this up, and we could see exactly what this has. It has all of the different lead details here. We could go through this for all of the leads. And then if we come down here, it literally has the custom email templates for each of these so that we can have somebody actually go through and reach out here, and it even gives us different personalization tips. Now, from here, there are two things that we could do. One, we could add on to this the ability to actually use our email and reach out to these people and email them ourselves, or we could come over here and we could say, great, please do this task every day at 9 a.m. Eastern. And now what this is going to do is this is going to go through and this is going to generate a recurring task for us that we are now going to be able to see inside of our tasks. And this is going to go through and do this every day at 9 a.m. so that we get 15 new leads for our business every single day. And we can see that now DeepAgent literally goes through and it actually creates that task for us, which makes our life way easier because again, this all did what we could have done in a browser, but now we got it to do it, we like the results, and we could go through and we could automate this right here. Now, the next thing I wanted to show you right here is we could have this go through and look at this. Create an automation test schedule for my website, and then you actually give it whatever that website is, and then it says follow these testing steps. 1, go to the website in your browser. 2, verify if the auth is working correctly with these different credentials. Check if the homepage is showing data for the current month. There should be 4 invoices for the current month. Verify if the download functionality is working. Try to download 1 invoice for the current month and report if it worked, with a successful file download. Run these tests every Friday and send the testing report to my email by 3 p.m. PDT. And then from here, what this is going to do is go off. This is going to actually log in to this website right here. It's going to go through, it's going to see all these different invoices. It's going to take all the computer actions necessary in order to do each one of those tests. And then it goes through and actually creates an email for whether or not it actually worked. And we could come in here and view the results of this every day, or even see the email that it sent. As we can see from this right here, this went through and actually passed everything. And again, we could have this recur daily, we could have this recur monthly, we could have it recur weekly, and this otherwise would have taken us as a human a long time to go through and test each one of these things manually. But so long as you can explain exactly what you want tested, you could have AI do this for you. Now, before I get into the rest of the use cases and things that you could do with this tool that are only going to keep getting crazier and crazier, I wanted to remind you that you could go to the pinned comment below and get started with DeepAgent's new browser use schedule test today for only $10 a month. This tool right here is an absolute no-brainer, because if you begin to schedule out tasks that are currently wasting your time, you only have to spend $10 a month in order to actually get them done automatically. Well, what's the ROI on that going to be? I know for me personally, it's been absolutely huge. And on top of me being able to schedule out tasks and be able to automate things, it also gives you access to Chat LLM, which lets you access every single AI model. So I'm talking about Grok, Gemini, Claude, ChatGPT, all from one chat interface, so that you don't have to subscribe to all of them individually. So what are you waiting for? Go to that pinned comment below and get started today with DeepAgent by Abacus AI. Now, the next thing that we could do is come over here and upload our resume into DeepAgent and say, take this Google Sheet and apply to jobs one by one with my details on any of the given links. Now, we put custom instructions in here that says, if the website asks for filling a CAPTCHA, then just please mark it in the sheet and I will do it later on. Otherwise, keep updating the sheet, and I want this to run on a schedule to continue to happen until all jobs from this sheet are finished. And it says that it should apply to one job at a single time. And again, it says, here's my resume attached. Now, what this is going to do is go through, it's going to ask us a few questions, we answer them, and then we can see this actually go through and apply to all these different jobs. It's doing them directly on websites here. It is doing them on LinkedIn. It can apply to jobs anywhere that you could actually do it from your browser. And that's really what makes this insane. Is look at this. It's literally going through and it's filling out questionnaires. Are you 18 or older? Yes. Are you legally authorized to work? Yes. What are your salary expectations? It has all of this information, and just like we would as a human, and I don't know about you, but I haven't applied for a job in like 10 years, but this would have been incredibly powerful if this was able to do this back in the day, because I'm sure, as you know, today, on the other side of this, jobs are being screened by AI, so having AI do the work increases the odds that you're not wasting your time doing things that you might not hear back from. Or this could actually help you get your dream job, because it can actually scan all these websites and know exactly what they're looking for. Now we can see that this will just continue to go through. It'll apply to all these different jobs. It gives us a workflow right here, and it gives us all the success rate right here. So it literally shows us exactly what workflow it did. And we could see that this is now running as a task. And as we see here, this is running every hour. So this is literally going to go through and apply to jobs every single hour from our list. And it's going to go through and cross them off when they're actually done. And this actually goes through and tells you right here everything you need to know, like the company name, the position, the apply link, the location, the experience level, the job description, when the posting was actually created, salary range, job type, additional information, and application status. And we could see all the ones that this actually went through and applied for. Now, the final thing that I want to show you is we're going to get this to manage a bunch of different invoices. So we come over here and say, I want you to manage all my invoices in a sheet at one place. I want you to visit this website and download invoices present for the current month and enter the details from the invoice into Google Sheet, and then mail me the sheet link and the summary of all the invoices added on my email at 9 a.m. Pacific. We give it the website, we give it the credentials, and then we could have this schedule out this task. Now, as we can see here, this is going to go through, ask us a few questions, we're going to answer them, and then this gets to work. This opens up a browser, this prompts us to actually sign in right here, and then it will always have access to this, and now this goes through and does the work that would have taken us anywhere from 30 to 60 minutes every day in order to do this. And we could see this goes through, does everything that it needs to do on the website, whatever that action is that we would have manually been doing, and then it is going to email us the results, and we could see this is now saved as a task right here, and it is going to happen. Look at this email it sends over. It literally tells us everything that was done, everything that needs to be done, and now we know about all these invoices that we need to go through and we need to pay. And again, we didn't have to do this manually and go fetch all these. AI did it for us. And I want you to think about all the other things that you're currently doing right now repetitively with a browser. AI can automate this for you. In fact, DeepAgent's AI browser use can automate this for you on any schedule that you want. Now, if you enjoyed this video, I'd strongly suggest you check out this video right here that shows you 10 secret ChatGPT features that I guarantee you didn't know existed. I'll see you over there.